All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from $50 to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at $50 and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this, my social media, that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. Okay, here we are with WTI. So I alerted this one out to my membership as well. This is an oil play. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into WTI now. Long. I told everybody I was getting in at 355, but I'm a little late because of those other things. But we got a couple minutes left before market close. So I'm just jumping in with 1,000 shares on this trade right now. So yes, I am risking. If you followed my trade plan video, and if you've been following me and you're one of my students and on my membership, I am risking a little more than usual on this trade, but I feel really confident in the oil market right now. I think it's overall that market's looking fantastic. So but we'll see. I know we do have some potential oil backup and stockpile backup and all that stuff taking place. But long term, I think this is a good play, and this is a swing trading. So going in, and yes, buy that please. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and put my OCO order in. Okay, so I got my OCO order in. So we got our stop down here, our target right there. And I do believe this is going to see $5 plus in the next year or so. But for right now, this is a target setup based on the algo. And then anything else after that, I may trade based on whatever's going on in the world and based on the news and all different stuff, current events, if you will. But for now, looking at this stop target, and we'll see how this plays out. All right, there you go. So swing trade in. See what happens. All right, so here we are with our swing account. So WTI, we hit our target today. So we alerted it back here on 5.7, entered the trade. Look at that nice move, man. Just it was going slow and then boom. So we hit that target. So if you are following my trade alerts, if you took this trade with me, congratulations to you. So far, we've had a pretty epic year this year with the trade alerts. I think we've only had one, maybe two losers in the whole year so far, other than some trades that carried over from last year that make our calendar red a little bit. It's a green year, but gave us some extra red trades because they carried over from last year. But this trade today was pretty nice. It's just quick and easy. All right, let's go look at the log and see where we're at with the swing trading account. What is going on over there? All right, so here we are in our trade log. So today with WTI, we got nice $500. So, as just in case for those of you who may not have seen before, I put in here when I entered the trade on. And if I scroll up to 5.7, show you how I do this. So on 5.7, I put my trade in. And then swing algo open at 3:55 p.m. Put the notes, but I put the entry price and the exit price the same, so it doesn't show up as anything, and I don't put a risk in here. So this way it doesn't mess up my all my numbers up here, or on the main calendar or anything like that. So it just shows up as 0. So there we go. 27. Why is this showing up as 470? Bum bum bum. 24.79. Oh, I closed that trade that day. Awesome. So that was a nice winner. That was a really good winner. All right, so here we are going back down to WTI. We got a few open trades still, and then BA is looking awesome for us right now. So yes, WTI. So let's go over to our dashboard. But actually, right up here before we can go over there, you can see we're so far having a pretty good year on the swing trading account, slowly growing this small account. Dashboard over here. So June, that starts us off the month nice with a $500 winner. So really, really nice way to start the month. Hopefully we can keep that rolling and get some more trades. All right, so let's go look at one more thing here, the scaling ladder. So we're by percentage. This goes by my full account. So the account is growing slowly. So we're back into 280 range. But you can see this will exponentially grow. Right now we're risking risk reward of around 280 a trade. Right now is where we're at. So, it slowly grows, but then exponentially gets faster. We're going to jump up to 2% here and then really let this thing start to rip. So, yep. So by the end of the year, we should be able to be in the thousands of dollars per trade range, making some good money. So anyway, that's where we're at. All right, everybody. We'll bring the next trade to you.